What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Aquí andamos, echándole ganas. So today's plan is pretty much as you can see from the title of the video. I want to try to clean up my work area. This is going to be my workstation where I'm going to be doing upgrades to the truck. Is where I'm going to be having it parked, but as you can tell right now, it's just not in the condition that I would want for it to be. It's just a bunch of clutter, so I want to clear it out, throw out whatever we don't need, whatever's trash, because as you guys can tell from the walls, this used to be, well, this is my garage, but I mean, it used to be like a little bar area where we would kind of hang out. Family and friends would come and would have drinks, have a good time. But after that, there was a time that I just ended up getting tired of all that. So I ended up putting my pool table away, pushed it out to the end. As you can see now, it's used like as a storage thing where we place stuff on top of it. But I want to clean it up. I mean, we still hang out here every once in a while. I mean, we don't play pool obviously, but we still do get together here. But it's just really cluttered right now and it's just very dirty. And I did do the spray and bed liner in here. So as you can tell, there's just a bunch of like dust everywhere. So I want to try to clean out all the dust. Have it to where I can park my truck in here where it'll fit in here perfectly, and I'm able to work from either side and have room to walk around there and everything. I mean, I have a lot of big plans later on. I want to add another truck to my channel, so I want to be able to park both of them in here. Maybe my OBS here and then another one over here. But for right now, we're just gonna clean it up and then, you know, get it to where we're able to walk around in here freely and clear all the dust that I created from the spray and bed liner. So stay tuned, y'all.
No soy lúcido, mucho menos presumido, pero sí me doy a respetar. A los envidiosos verán como los detesto, porque no más hablan por hablar. Pacas de billetes produciendo diariamente, pues mi meta ha sido duplicar. Odio las mentiras, pero adoro a mi familia y por ello yo voy a luchar y la crudeza.
I just wanted to show you guys how it's coming out. So I ended up moving my pool table over here to this side and moved it from that corner where my treadmill and my weights are now at. That way my bars are already kind of here, so it's already sticking out a bit, but that way my truck can be able to pull in here. I can be able to pull in my truck here once I clear up all this stuff inside. I'll be able to pull it in, that way both doors can open from each side. It looks like for right now I'm only gonna be able to fit one truck. So I mean, it's what I have. So alright, well here it is, y'all. This is the finished product for the most part. So it's pretty much, I guess you can call it a bar / workshop. I'm gonna be having my truck and doing all the work that I need to do. I mean, it took a few hours, but for you guys, it was only a few minutes, as you can see. So I wanted to keep it kind of like a workshop where I can do work on my truck. But I also want to have it where like we can still kind of come in and hang out, say like holidays, parties or stuff like that. And have my own little area where I can still kind of work out. So I mean, came out pretty good. There's not a whole lot of room, but I think it'll be enough just to park my truck and be able to open both my doors and walk around it comfortably. But here it is, y'all. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more fire videos coming up, and like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what truck you guys probably have and your YouTube channel, that way I can follow you guys as well. These are just a few more truck parts that I have. This is the rug that I have that I'm going to be putting on the truck shortly, and just a few other parts that I have that I'm going to, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.